Before we start, please listen carefully. This is a very special video. It is made especially for absolute beginners. If you are starting English for the very first time, this video is perfect for you. If you know a little English but feel nervous when you meet someone new, this video is also perfect for you. In this video, we will learn something very important, something you will use every single day of your life. How to introduce yourself in English. How to tell people your name, your age, where you live, what you do, what you like. Every sentence in this video is short. Every sentence is clear. Every sentence is useful in real life. But here is the most important thing. Please repeat every sentence after you hear it. Say it out loud. Say it clearly. Say it with confidence. Because speaking is the only way to learn to speak. Every day, we meet new people. At school, at work, at the shops, everywhere. The first thing we do is introduce ourselves. Introducing yourself means telling someone who you are. It is the beginning of every friendship. It is the beginning of every conversation. When you introduce yourself well, people remember you. A good introduction makes a good first impression. Today, we will learn how to introduce ourselves in English, step by step, sentence by sentence. Very good. Now let us start with the most basic and most important part of any introduction, your name. The first thing you say when you meet someone is your name. Let us learn how to say your name in English. There are 3 simple ways to say your name. Way 1. Simple and direct. My name is Sarah. My name is Rohan. My name is Aiden. Way 2. Casual and friendly. I am Sarah. It is lovely to meet you. It is lovely to meet you. It is lovely to meet you. Before you say your name, you usually say hello. Let us learn different ways to greet someone in English. Hello. Hi. Hi there. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. Hey. How are you? Hello. How are you doing? Hi. How do you do? Now, let us practice replying to these greetings. When someone says, "How are you?" what do you say? I am fine, thank you. I am very well, thank you. I am grateful. And you? Not bad, thank you. How about you? I am doing well. Thank you for asking. Very good. Now, let us put the greeting and the name together. Hello, my name is Sarah. How are you? Hi, I am Rohan. Nice to meet you. Good morning. My name is Aiden. How are you doing? Let us practice a simple introductory conversation. Listen carefully. Then repeat both sides loudly and clearly. Person A. Hello, my name is Sarah. Nice to meet you. Person B. Hi, Sarah. My name is James. It is nice to meet you too. Person A. How are you, James? Person B. I am very well, thank you. And you? Person A. I am fine, thank you. Now say this whole conversation again, but this time use your own name for person A. Say it from the beginning. Go. After your name, the next thing people often ask is your age. Let us learn how to talk about your age in English. I am 20 years old. I am 25 years old. I am 30 years old. Now let us put name and age together. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 22 years old. Hi, I am Rohan. I am 20 years old. Nice to meet you. After your name and age, people often ask where you are from. This means your country or your city. Let us learn how to answer this question. I am from India. I am from Pakistan. I am from Nepal. I am from Bangladesh. I am from Nigeria. Now let us learn to say your city. I live in Mumbai. I live in Karachi. I live in Kathmandu. I live in Lagos. Now put name, age, and where you are from together. Hello, my name is Sarah. I am 22 years old. I am from India. I live in Mumbai. Now say it with your own details. Name, age, country, city. Say it now, out loud. Go. The next important thing in an introduction is what you do. This means your job or your studies. Let us learn how to talk about this. If you are a student, I am a student. I study English. I study at university. I am in my second year of university. I am studying computer science. I am studying business. I go to school every day. If you are working, I work as a teacher. I am a nurse. I am an engineer. I work in an office. I work at a hospital. I work at a school. I have my own small business. A great introduction also includes your hobbies. Hobbies are the things you enjoy doing in your free time. Let us learn how to talk about hobbies in English. I like reading books. I enjoy listening to music. I love watching movies. I like playing football. I enjoy cooking. I love traveling. I like drawing and painting. I enjoy swimming. I love learning new things. In my free time, I like to read and listen to music. My hobby is playing the guitar. I am interested in photography. A very natural part of introducing yourself as an English learner is talking about your language and why you are learning English. Let us practice these sentences. My first language is Hindi. My native language is Urdu. I speak Nepali as my first language. I also speak a little English. I am learning English. I am a beginner in English. I have been learning English for 6 months. I want to improve my English. I am learning English for my career. I am learning English to communicate with people around the world. English is very important for my future. I practice English every day. I love learning English. Now, let us practice a full, detailed introduction. This includes everything: name, age, country, job, hobbies, and language. Listen carefully, then repeat. Hello, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sarah. I am 22 years old. I am from India. I live in Mumbai. I am a student. I study business at university. My hobbies are reading, cooking, and listening to music. My native language is Hindi. I am also learning English. I practice English every day. I want to speak English fluently one day. It is very nice to meet you all. I hope we can talk more and learn together. Now say this whole introduction again, but replace Sarah's details with your own details. Your name, your age, your country, your city, your job or studies, your hobbies, your language. Say the whole thing right now, out loud, from beginning to end. Go. When you finish an introductory conversation, you need to say goodbye politely. Let us learn how to end a conversation in English. It was nice meeting you. It was lovely to meet you. I hope we talk again soon. I enjoyed talking with you. Thank you for talking with me. I hope to see you again. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye. It was a pleasure. See you soon. Bye for now. Now it is your turn. This is the most important moment of this entire video. I want you to give your own full introduction right now. in English, out loud. Use everything you learned today. Stand up if you can. Speak clearly, speak confidently. Here is the structure to follow. Start with a greeting. Say your name. Say your age. Say where you are from. Say where you live. Say what you do, student or job. Say your hobbies. Say what language you speak. Say why you are learning English. End with a friendly closing. Go. Right now. Speak. Do not worry about mistakes. Just speak. Use the sentences from this video. Your introduction. Your words. You just completed a full step-by-step English introduction practice session. You learned how to say your name, your age, where you are from, what you do, your hobbies, your language, and how to end a conversation politely. These are the most important building blocks of English conversation, and you practiced all of them today. Here is your challenge. Every single day this week, introduce yourself in English. Say your full introduction out loud every morning when you wake up. Say it to your mirror. Say it to your family. Say it to your friends. Record yourself on your phone. Listen back. Improve, and then say it again. Do this every day. By the end of the week, your introduction will come out naturally, smoothly, confidently, without thinking. That is the goal. That is real English fluency. And here is one more challenge. Find one person this week, a friend, a classmate, a colleague, and introduce yourself to them in English. Even if they speak your language, practice with them. Use everything you learned today. A real conversation, a real introduction, because real fluency is built in real life. If this video helped you, please like it. Please subscribe to Accent Avenue. We upload simple, clear, practical English learning videos for beginners and intermediate learners every single week. Each video builds on the last one. Each video makes your English stronger. So subscribe now and never miss a lesson. We are so proud of you for completing this practice today. Your English is growing every single day. Keep going. Never stop. You are doing so much better than you think. Thank you so much for learning with us today.